Today, I'll show you how to connect a custom domain to Cloudflare Pages step by step. Step 1. Go to your Cloudflare Pages project and open the Custom Domains tab. Copy the unique address it gives you. It usually ends in .pages.dev. Step 2. Log into the account where you bought your domain. That could be Porkbun, GoDaddy, Namecheap, or any other registrar. Find the DNS settings for your domain. Think of DNS as the internet's address book. We're just updating it to point to Cloudflare. Step 3. Add a CNAME record for www and paste in your Cloudflare Pages address. If you want the plain domain without the www, add either an alias or a record depending on your registrar. That also points to the same page address. Step 4. Go back to Cloudflare Pages, click Verify, and wait a few minutes for the changes to spread across the internet. Once it's done, your custom domain will work with your Cloudflare Pages site. The visitors can access it with your clean domain name. That's it. Quick and easy. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.